oh my gosh. Hi everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I think this is going to be the first of a proper video. I've had this YouTube channel for a couple of years now, like a very long time actually, and I haven't really been taking care of the page.
What?
I say paid channel, scratch that, channel. Whenever I remember, I just start posting stuff up. They're not random though, they're not random posts, just so you know, but it's just that I haven't been taking it seriously. So of course right now we're in the age of social media, YouTube and things like that. And as you all know, if you have been following me on Instagram and TikTok, you find out that I am more of a skincare content creator and of course lifestyle. And that has always been the plan for the YouTube channel. It has always been the skincare and lifestyle, entertainment, talks, you know, and all that, because, you know, I've been in the entertainment industry for years. And I wanted to put stuff up on YouTube. But I'm sure if you scroll all the way down to my old videos, you see some entertaining stuff if you are in Africa. So for those of you outside Africa that really don't know those in our entertainment industry, you wouldn't understand what I'm talking about. But yes, so we're big, we're better, and we're here to stay. This is the Shine Beghho channel, and I'm going to be giving you skincare tips, reviews, products recommendation. We're going to be talking about various ingredients in skincare products, and the list goes on. Of course, everything that has to do with skincare, we're going to be discussing it here, and sometimes we might also have some live interviews with those in the skincare industry, and of course skincare enthusiasts.
Yes!
And also lifestyle. Yes. Sometimes I'm going to be putting out some vlogs. Yay! And I'm going to work hard in, you know, always trying to remember to put out like daily life, you know, what I'm up to today and stuff like that. I do a lot of things behind the scene, and this time I'm going to make a deliberate, conscious effort to document it. So, thank you. All right, now, so yes, now you know, this is Shine Beghho, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on, you know, the content that I will be dishing out. The more the merrier. I really want to grow this community, so you can tell all your friends that are into skincare or those trying to get into skincare for beginners. I'm here to help you out and guide you through your skincare journey. And just so you know, I don't want you to get it twisted, I am a sucker for the Korean culture, and you notice that I'll tend more to Korean skincare products. And the reason why is because a lot of the times they don't have chemicals that will, you know, hurt our skin. So I find their formulations really soothing and really hydrating, and not looking for that quick fix. And that is what we need. And after I found out about Korean skincare, I'm like, guy, we die here. This is where we belong, if you know what I mean. So yes. But it's not like I don't use other brands or products from other countries. I have worked with a lot of skincare brands in Korea and outside Korea. So yes, all are welcome. I'm just saying, personally, I'm a bit partial when it comes to Korean skincare products. So So if you're a brand and you're thinking, Shine, I'm going to change your thoughts on that, our brand has got this, that, well, I'm open to using your brand, and let's see how that is definitely going to turn out. But in the meantime, welcome to my channel. I love you, and you can also go in the comment section and tell me what you would love to see, okay? And feel free to add topics that you think would you would love to see, so you can tell me all about it.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you and bye. Thanks for watching. Okay, now bye bye then.